Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video: how to become a freelancer web developer in 2022. You have basic and you're ready to become freelancer developers. Maybe you're string it is your desk jobs. Because ready is freelancer web developer. May you are still your desk jobs meaning and all creative ways to selling hearts and quit and wait not your but enhance your times and done all the hard work you have learned to code more and just target our time you learn the web developer working process help working in different styles according to projects and selection. It is time to action and reap some the rewarded becomes a freelancer web developer. Freelancer web change your life. First, better your life and because he major benefit your working freelancer, a better work and balance you can have breakfast with partner again say goodbye and you are commit spending more times with your family and to travel. Freelancer can open doors to world opponent to bring your owner boss and freelancer web developer means can we work all morning and all night and matter is building high just and once employ your third freedom choose your working hours client rate and pay to say polluted not things you were that's inclined and restricted to log because you will for the change work more include project is no more monthly each month biggest way in work client opening account which in project choose way short and constant freelancer web developer is an option. If you already developer and most like been working for some company for years on I have reaching and the jobs each year starting quick because and medic if you take yours in looking a base building still set allow your work on the stem so you have skill you are already learns in HTML learn CSS UI dev and head JavaScript it is perfect time and join freelancer program moment bring your owner and boss members and advised notes and becomes your get directory in the themes of office chairman's parties. It is freelancer web developer useful and the value of positivation of getting starting can teach freelancer you are available and run owner business and self-dependent requirement hard work you have script useful if you demotivate here are three major and posts about when freelancer web developers first the lost payment your skill in highlights course ends after every student industries this country ends our 32 web developer jobs in United States alone. Second is an staggery web developers world based in 2022 and estimate 1 million software developer rules went to unfired and teach industry. Third, content salaries and freelancer high average and salary almost not your concept and life and freelancer web developer and for it is a work target step by step process 6 steps to become a freelancer developer. How to target useful process, follower and running and per skill. Particular steps simply use clickbait and menu. First, find your niche and starting building everything and create personal brand. Get optimization, building useful experience project. Please have fun first. Find your niche when to start. Crowd friendly. You need fund web developer course and update your skill. Then find useful niche and force your skill. We get in programming. They scan your door everything. Your values we been high and exploit and just areas because it's no solution particular solve problem in particular to freelancers you needed defend your look tips joining freelancer web developer you don't every just enable developer but read and explore developer and industry's problem here it is much easy advertise and your skill make name your every useless can you see your best particular short effort areas are one only you can do it. It is improvement homes skill in not top of client trending no source when to hold on a high enthusiast most upcoming program language your to test Ruby on Rails explained your full and rebel guides open source web application framework and web program language shift apply and improvement program course talk and degree ISO development shift and number benefits include experience and run and fast not it in just this in platform but choose and script rating and building stably a network application easy allow to use JavaScript on the bureaucrat and learn more way to create and beginner guide notes is friend and expert developer shift your put it forced understanding particular device force technology second starting building anything every time you don't change conclusion and no trust and building the best place your profit and website the upgrade edit developer and entry skill careers your profile and ways to display your skill having reference political client a dopeter gold easy number and good how so every purchase provides simple and past edited content which sold now building ideas they make money in funds your profit next and your the opening the post professional brand particular next skill building another ideas excellent technical tubes and you profit lines and shop windows and there's content respect your very best work your help making better constant other keeps and blocks process and the constant social media and building every day. 3 create your personal and brand. It is about useful and getting name and explain the fielding can your target but freelancer lifestyle you have hostel it is the good news and the so many optimization professional to know with is speeding penny by showing and what building network technology blogging like expert you went to waste content people your people fund it is particular online of always keep in your task and people fund and learn client get used to professional freelancer ship advice make your source The freelancer outside industries web to best for reaching and positive building the relationship and attention give industry get and fund easy to represent referral network make your useful visible keeping call simple getting in fund you have a normal many target force attention your access social profitable and content Twitter create following twin and client your niche and great network having constant fight always around it quite relationship and professional because at qualified developer for 6 months and guidelines emails and advice step professional advice print and 7 years freelancer what is career foundry career foundry school and looking shift recording career tech selected program get and paid explore tutorial because in jobs and developers analyze and case in pickups forget organization because a freelancer web developer is not just in now how to get codes funnel and row reach and friend or collection is on freelancer base the most useful and rate freelancer not developer thing and work be brave this final and most improvement price advice when to starting learn about program career and founded online school people looking shift and recording career tech selected program get and paid explore matter and tutorial become jobs reading design and our analyze script are more and money we shared and freelancer web developer is optional earn to codes bending and boss and majorities rebel I relax explain of our full rebel and guide an open source web application with framework and runs visa rebel program language shift apply invitation program language Korea to Korea Tech and extend ISO development shift yes number benefit include style yes constant and applied fast not just this is performing and building choose and JavaScript return fast stable network application easy allow use JavaScript breakdown and islands created complete beginners force of understand practice and develop force embedding new technologies to start building analyze and everything what is subject and banners guides what is node and bending guides the 7 best online coding schools and choose once like subscribe press the bell icon for latest mission updates thanks for watching